Hey, Zay here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for XRP. Before getting into the analysis, I want to mention that this asset was voted for in the Discord to be covered in the next video, so here it is. If you want to vote or have a say for the next asset that I cover or create an analysis for, join the Discord. On this video, however, I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer some counts over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities, starting here on 2-day time frame and very high time frame analysis. On overall, we can see that we have had some kind of structure here before launching up very high. According to RSI, we had the major peaks around these two, so those are most likely going to be a third or something at least, and at least on weekly time frame we don't have that good looking divergence. On smaller time frame we do have that, so to me this definitely looks like a third of something up here, and then again we could be saying the same thing here, a third of something, third of third, third of fifth. So basing off of just that we could have something like this. Let's focus on the pink count here first, in which this is the first of cycle. We could be starting this structure from here as a 1-2, but then the 3-4 here is very small compared to it, so I would rather have it start from here as a 1-2, 3, 4 and 5. Within fourth we have some kind of triangle, and wave 2 is very complex correction downwards. Now wave 4 definitely was very deep, we can see is around the 89% area, while wave 4 is around 50%, and that has to be kept in mind when we are looking at the prices to come here. The other scenario is that we have a 1-2 here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just a substructure of this 1-2 here, so creating a third here, fourth and then fifth coming higher. That is definitely one possibility, and there's not too many issues with that either. We have the on logarithmic scale, we do have the zero line around here where I've drawn it, so we definitely can have a pretty good looking wave 1, as we don't have that price data, at least on this chart or the charts that I found. So we can basically just imagine that, or we can just choose to ignore it and have the wave 1 of cycle up here. Now what I don't like about this yellow wave 3 up here is how much it retraces downwards, as we see here, around 96%, which is definitely not common for wave 4s to do that. So instead I do prefer this as a wave 1 and wave 2, whether wave 2 is around these lows at March 2020 or the lows that we are about to make here, either going to be making them like so, or just creating another low here and then getting higher. But we'll look into these possibilities in just a moment. The other scenario is again maybe having this wave 1 up here or not, but again 1, 2, 3, 4 as we talked about. I don't really like this. It's very small 1, 2, very large 3, 4 and 5 compared. So I definitely do prefer the other scenario of this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over this one, but again this is still valid, I guess. Have to be viewed on logarithmic scale, as this price dip here of that 90-something% is definitely not normal for wave 4s. Now let's take a look at the time analysis overall. Starting with this bull or bearish count here, let's check out that one first. So in this one I've labeled this as, let's zoom in here, as an A with a expanding diagonal, ABC into B, and then 5 ways into C. Then we would have some kind of 3-way structure here into X, and then again 3 ways W, 3 ways X, and 3 ways to wave Y to complete a wave W, or to complete something larger, either the wave 2 that I showed you here on this pink count over here, and then looking for bullish signs, or we could be having this structure as such, as an A, B and C into wave X, and then again looking for some kind of three-way move down to wave Y. Generally we would like to get the wave Y beyond the wave W that we had around the 11.4 cent area, and then again that would definitely take more time. We've been already in this correction since the April 2021, at least for this first part of this correction. So if we are looking at other indices and Bitcoin, we are coming to a close, at least it definitely looks like it. We could be taking one more low here down to these areas of 22 to 26 cents area I would be looking at, and then looking for some kind of three-way move higher and then three ways back. One-to-one extension of this wave Y in time compared to wave W here would be the next summer, in which we would be creating a new low, according to this count at least, according to the time analysis. Of course, as this has taken quite a bit of time already, this wave WXY here, I would be expecting it actually taking a bit longer if we are going to be doing something like this. So most likely end of next year or early 2024. But that is the the bearish case. The bullish case did have that possibility of having this as a three-way move and ending something here around that 11.4 cents area. At this point, we don't have many choices for the bullish counts, and as we have that very overlapping structures here. So to me, this looks as the only possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, in which we would create a wave 1 up here. At that point, again, we would be looking downwards. This is actually the wrong place. And this should probably be a WXY instead, as we had it in the bearish counts. So again, looking for WXY coming down for the wave 2. Let's see how much this actually retraced already. 85%, which is definitely a lot in price. Let's see in arithmetic. We are right, the logarithmic scale, we are right into the golden pocket at the moment. I guess this could be an okay area to start dollar cost averaging if you have a good trust in XRP. If you want to be trading this Elliott Wave wise, I would be looking for that 5 ways first, 3 back. If you want to be playing this bullish count, of course, with the bearish count, even though it could be going higher, it definitely can be going with the 3-way structure. So even WXY, where the W could be something like this. We just don't know what kind of structure we're going to be having. So if we are expecting a bearish case, we could be looking into dollar cost averaging rather than trying to get that 5 waves, as it can be just a 3-way structure at the start. So yeah, we can definitely climb higher correctively from here and then dump down again, take out the lows, and then we would be set for quite some time, for quite some runs on the crypto market, if this indeed is the way to down here. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on XRP on the very high time frame. Let me know if there is an interest on looking at this shorter term and see if we can get some trades going on XRP. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and please let me know what assets should I cover next. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.